me show you the top 5 ways to use Copilot in PowerPoint to build better presentations faster. Number 1, creating slides from a document. If you already have your ideas written out, Copilot can turn them into a full presentation. Just attach your document and ask something like, create a presentation based on this welcome guide. Turn each section into a slide with a clear title and concise bullet points. Copilot instantly builds slides based on your document. Number 2, generate images. Next is using Copilot to generate custom images. Just prompt something like, create an image of a cozy backyard movie night set up at sunset with string lights, blankets, and a projector screen. Use a modern illustration style. In seconds, you have the perfect image to add to your slide. Number 3, editing your image. You can change images by prompting Copilot to edit image on this slide. Copilot responds with a list of editing options to explore. You can also right-click to edit the image and have Copilot auto-enhance it. Number 4, updating font. Next, you can change the fonts across your entire presentation with a simple prompt. Just ask Copilot, change all fonts to a bold, cinematic style with strong headings and an easy-to-read body text. Number 5, rewriting your content. If a slide feels a little too wordy, ask Copilot, rewrite the slide to be more concise, engaging, and easy to present. Copilot sharpens your message so it's easier to follow. And those are 5 simple tips to try in your next PowerPoint deck. Follow along for more ways to work smarter with Copilot.